Hello, the gainer is here, and today I want to wish you Happy New Year to this 2021, and this new year will be a great year and blessed year for all of us. Today I want to quickly talk about 7 things that you will do before you build your house in Nigeria in this year 2021. A lot of people didn't put all the things in place before they go ahead building their houses, and which later become different stories and different issues. But today we are going to talk about the 7 things that is compulsory you do before you start building your house in Nigeria in this year 2021. Okay, the number 1 thing is you have to get a good land. What I mean by good land, the land that is good must have a good title, must be in a good location and a good area. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get a good title. The land that has a good title, so which will give you rest of mind. Mind you, with good title is always secure. Okay, so when you have the land that have good title, then you can proceed to other step. Okay, we talk about survey. So after you get the land with good title, you have seen the land with good title that you want to buy. When you buy it, you have to make sure that you have the survey plan of that land. Okay, so the number 2 is to get the survey of that land. So the survey will give you the information all about the land. If the land is secure from any accusation of the government, so you will know. So the survey of the land will give you the all actual information about your land. Then number 3, after you have gotten your survey, after you have seen it and you have confirmed it, so the number 3 is to get your drawings. And what I mean by drawings, people call it architecture. So you have to get your architecture, get your design by a professional architecturer. You collect the design that is suitable for that environment, you get the approval, so you get the architecture, what you want and how you want it. Okay, and your area, and it depends on what you want to build. Someone that want to build a 2-bedroom bungalow and 5-bedroom bungalow, the price will be different. Okay, so just make sure you get a professional architecture to design you a good house. Okay, and the number 4 I'm going to talk about is fees. And what I mean by fees, the necessary fees that you have to pay. If you are not buying from an estate, if it is personal land, you make sure you pay necessary fees so that when you are on your site, nobody will disturb you. Okay, like Omonile, like other government agency approval, this, all that. So make sure you settle all those necessary fees. So when you set those necessary fees, it gives you the clear road to proceed so that nobody will disturb you on your site. That is number 4, your building materials. You can confirm from online, from offline shops. Okay, what I mean by online and offline, you can check online like gg.com, like materials, like a building materials sites.com. You can even Google chairs. When you search it on the Google will bring you a lot of sites, a lot of websites that they are selling building materials. So you confirm with the current price. You know, price changes every time. So when you confirm the prices of building materials, you go to gg.com, you confirm the building materials, you confirm the price. And when you go to offline shop, like in your street or in any reputable area, you confirm the price. When you confirm the price, then you do your calculations, so you know what is on the market and how to get along with it. Number 6 that I'm going to give you, after you have confirmed the building materials, so you have to do your calculations. Because what you will buy this month, it might be different from what you will buy next month, so you have to arrange and make a provision for that. Okay, so the number 6 is to do your calculations, so you know how much this and that you will buy, you know how much cement you will buy, you know how much blocks you will buy, and other necessary thing that you will buy. Okay, then number 7, after you have confirmed the building materials, you have done your calculations on what you want to buy, then the last one is to make sure that whatever you buy, whatever your budget is, make sure you add 10% or 20% to your budget, because price is changing. If you are not buying everything at once, price is changing, and when you are buying something like a block, like other things, it can generally block will not complete, it usually get damaged. There must be a broken block among the blocks, so the 10% will cover it, and 15% it will cover the price that may increase or whatsoever. So always make sure you add at least 10 to 15% to all your budget. So these are the 7 things you need to do before you start building your house in this 2021. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button and press the bell button beside it, so that whenever I drop the new video, you will get notified that I've dropped the new video. Don't forget, the goal of this channel is just to keep enlightening us how we can make it in real estate, how we can make our way, how we can succeed in real estate. Remain the gainer. You will never be a loser in property. Thank you.